This is the Iowa Weather Report for Saturday, December 6th, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run at noon today. We have that system moving off to the east that produced a little bit of rain across our southern counties. Most of the precipitation remained south of the state, however, but that's now off to our east. Skies will be partly to mostly sunny today with highs mainly in the 30s, a couple of low 40s in our southern and southwestern counties, a couple of upper 20s in our far northeastern counties. With mainly sunny skies, a lot of rain off to our east, though. And that system will continue to move away, but the next system will be coming in. Looks a little more moisture laden than it did yesterday, so we're going to add the chances of some rain, freezing rain, sleet, snow. It's going to be about a plethora of precipitation, mainly in the form of rain during the day, but at night could switch over to some sleet or snow or some freezing rain, especially in our eastern counties Sunday night into Monday morning. Could still linger Monday morning. Skies will slowly clear. Temperatures a bit cooler Monday, back into the 30s, but immediately we start going back up again. Highs 30s and 40s, and then we'll slowly climb through the week. Mainly sunny here on Tuesday. That storm is now off to the east. A coastal storm looks to develop just off the mid-Atlantic coast, and that could race north and northeastward into the New England states and the Canadian Maritimes. Nothing around here, though. You can still see, though, on Wednesday, this moisture axis right from about Wichita Falls to Oklahoma City through Kansas into far eastern Nebraska. That could move through Wednesday night into the day on early Thursday. Could bring a little bit of rain or maybe a wintry mix depending on the time of the day. Could occur during the night, so it could be a wintry mix. Doesn't look to be all that big a deal at this point. We'll continue to watch it. Into Friday, now we have to watch this system out in the west. This is one we're going to have to watch for next weekend. You can still see a little bit of moisture around, but it looks mainly in the form of some clouds. But we move to next Saturday. We have trough axis off the east coast, trough axis over the Intermountain West and the Desert South and West, ridge in between the two, but it's the system off to our west that we'll have to slowly watch through the weekend. You can see the moisture begins to really build up across the state, so we could see an isolated shower here on Saturday, but even looking further out, the chances look to be fairly remote of seeing anything heavy at this point. Going into the extended period, December the 17th, this is where we're going to start seeing a shift in the pattern. We have a system over the northeastern Pacific, Gulf of Alaska, about to move into the northwest. We have a trough axis off to our west again. You can see a little bit of precipitation from about the southeastern counties of the state, south and eastward, with a bit of rain. But you can start to see the cold air is starting to drop back in once again. The 540 line is just about to enter the state. And this is exactly why. On the 21st, the end of the forecast, we've seen something like this before. Ridge over the western part of Canada, taking the air from the northern parts of the Yukon straight into this country. That means the cold air is back again. A little bit of snow across Colorado, a bit of rain down in Texas, big pile of light to moderate snow across Canada, but it looks to be rather cool toward Christmas. Satellite image from last evening. It's a little different with this map, so bear with me. You see the next system is the one system that brought a little bit of rain to the state earlier today, or yesterday, is off to our east. The next system is coming in from the west. Watch morning map from last evening. Some winter weather advisories across New England. Some dense fog advisories across the Gulf Coast. Some freezing rain possible across the Cascades. But everywhere else, it's fairly calm and quiet at this point. QPF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days. This goes through Wednesday evening at 6 o'clock, showing rainfall or precipitation amounts around here about a tenth or so or less, heaviest over the New England states and the Northwest.